Welcome back, first grade friends. We are ready for worksheet number 99. We are going to practice some of our letter sounds. We're going to go through numbers 1 through 10 pretty quickly. So make sure that you echo the sound and then write the letter that makes the sound. Number 1, J. J. The letter J says J. Number 2, X. X. The letter X says X. Number 3, Y. Y. The letter Y says Y. Number 4, I. I. The letter I says I. Number 5, B. B. The letter B says B. Number 6, A. A. The letter A says A. Number 7, The letter R says Number 8, The letter M says Number 9, The letter H says and number 10, sh. Sh. Digraph SH says shh. Let's practice spelling words now. On number 11, let's spell the word how. How. H-O-W. How. And for number 12, let's spell the word round. Round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Now today we talked about the V-C-C-C-V pattern. We are going to try to spell some challenge words with this pattern. The first one is the word pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. Number 14, the word is partner. Partner. Partner is spelled P-A-R-T-N-E-R. Partner. And number 15, the word is subtract. Subtract. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Subtract. Next, we are going to code some words with this V-C-C-C that pattern. For number 16, as always, we are looking for final stable syllables or suffixes. And I will tell you that none of the words today will have those. So we're looking for obvious coding. There is none in number 16. So we're going to find the vowels, and I see vowel I and vowel A. And there are 3 consonants in between. Now we are going to divide between the N and S because we want the ST, the st blend to stay together. The I will get a brevy. And this A because of its placement, is getting that upside down E, the schwa. It's going to say instant. That first syllable is accented. So the key is to look for the vowels in these words. All right, look for any obvious coding in number 17. I see combination AR to put an arc underneath. And the C's, both of them, will get a K back. So now we'll mark the vowels. We have vowel A, vowel I, with 3 consonants. We are going to divide between the C and T this time. This word is Arctic, Arctic. The accent was on the first syllable. We coded number 18 together. We had digraph TH and that sneaky E at the end. So then we mark A and E for the vowels. We had 3 consonants and we want to divide after the digraph. We don't want to split that digraph up. The first A gets a brevy and the E gets a macron. This word was athlete. Athlete. The accent mark again is at the first syllable. There is no obvious coding for number 19. So we're finding the vowels. We have vowel A and vowel E. There are 3 consonants in between. This time we're going to try to divide between the first 2 C's. The A at the beginning, followed by that D, is getting the schwa sound, the upside down E. And the second E is getting, the only E is getting a brevy. So this says address. Address. That second syllable is accented this time. And lastly, for number 20, we have a K back that we need to put on the C. We're crossing out that silent E at the end. We have vowel I and vowel U with 3 consonants in between. We are going to divide between the first 2 consonants. The I will get a brevy and the U will get a macron since it has the silent E. Include. Include. That last syllable is accented. So we will continue with some more coding at the bottom. Number 21 is a compound word. We're going to divide the 2 separate words. So looking at the first word, I have digraph CK. Underline the digraph, cross out the C. The A will get a brevy. And for the second word in the compound word, we have combination IR to underline. This word is blackbird. Blackbird. And in compound words, usually that first word is accented. For number 22, we have final stable syllable, TLE. Bracket, cross out the final E, accent mark. Looking at the first syllable, the I is closed, so it will make the short sound. It needs a brevy. This word is little. Little. For number 23, I see diphthong OI to put an arc underneath. That says oi. We have a lot of vowels. This is a long word. So we are going to mark V for the diphthong and vowel under the E. So we have 3 consonants. This is what we learned today. We are going to divide between the last 2 C's and a brevy above the E. Ointment. For number 24, we have diphthong OY, put an arc underneath. We have a V, C, C, C pattern again, this time between the first two consonants. Employ, employ, that last syllable is accented. And for number 25, we have a suffix LESS to put a box around. So we're left with the root word. The O gets a macron and cross out the silent E. This word is hopeless. Hopeless. You just have to work on practicing with your codes. We are getting into some longer words, so just make sure that you're paying attention to the videos and trying them with me and on your own. For your homework today, what you are going to do is look at the picture at the top of the page, and you are going to write a story using the words from the box to tell me what you see in the picture. Make sure that you are putting a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence and that you put a period at the end. Don't forget to practice your words at the bottom of the page.